Let's make bread pizza today. First, let's see what ingredients are needed. We need bread, milk, eggs, capsicum, tomato, sausage, and if you like, you can also add chicken. Next, we need onion and parsley for decorating the pizza, as well as garlic and chili flakes, salt, butter, cheese, pepper, sugar, tomato sauce, and oregano. To make the pizza, start by adding 2 eggs to the milk. Then add sugar, pepper, and oregano. Next, add some salt and chili flakes to the milk and mix well. Let's cut onions. Tomatoes. And sliced capsicum. Cut the sausages into pieces and fry them with a little butter. Cut the bread slices into small pieces and toast them with some butter in a pan. Soak the bread in the milk mixture and add it to the pan. Now, after one side is heated, turn the pizza to the other side and turn off the stove. Add chopped garlic to the tomato sauce and spread it over the pizza. Then, garnish the pizza with tomatoes, capsicum, onion, pieces of chili, fried sausage, cheese, and sprinkle some oregano on top of the pizza. Finally, decorate the pizza and enjoy.